Close your eyes for a second. Imagine a world where everything is digital. Your money, your identity, your life, all stored in invisible system. Now imagine someone trying to break into it. That's word. It is not future. It is now. Welcome to cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is like a shield, but not for human body, for your digital life. Every apps you use, every password you type need protection. Let's make it real. If someone hack your bank, your money is gone. If someone hack your account, your identity is gone. Cyber attack are silent but very dangerous. Hackers don't guess randomly. They think, where is the mistake? One small mistake can break an entire system. How system get hacked? Every attack follow these steps. First, they observe where the vulnerability. Then, they scan. Then, they attack. Just like a thief planning a robbery. Cybersecurity fight back. It uses firewall encryption monitoring. It's like having guard 24/7, like watchman. Fut- Thank you for attending. What conclusion is this? Now you understand cybersecurity is not just technology. It is protection of your life, and from today you are not just a user, you are defender of cyber war.